Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jigmeet Kaur and in this video we'll talk about content types in Optimizely CMS. So let's get started. So if you have to create the content types or manage it, you have to go to the settings. Then the first one we have is a content types. So we have Musibank site installed in this Optimizely CMS. So we are able to see a lot of content types already created in here. So the table has first we have the display name of the content type, then the type it has, then group which it may belong, access level, then the modified date. There are two filters available on the top. Which first one is the content type. You can filter by the content type, then you can filter by the access level. It also provides with the text box search. So you can just search for some uh, content type, say blog post. So rather than just scrolling and finding it, you can just do a search. Then on the rightmost side, we have this drop down, which helps us to create the content types of our choice. So we have page type. So this will hold the complete structure of the page, the fields, the components, everything. It can hold everything. And it has its own URL. Then we have block type. So it can hold the specific component. So we have a hero banner, we have a carousel. So block can be of that type. So our hero banner can be of block type, and our home page can be of page type. Then we have media type, which has assets like image, video, or the documents. Then we have experience type. So this is also can be used to hold the all the content of the page or all the components. The difference between the page type and the experience type is that so in the page type, this is not like editable in the visual builder, but experience type will be editable in the visual builder. So we'll talk about later in detail. So if I go here in the list and open any of these, so let's open the banner block. So here I can see there are properties. By clicking on it, I can see the properties. You can add your own properties by clicking on the drop down here. You can add a field of type text, block, or content, date, time, link, number, choice. So any field you can add. So we have a title field already added. So if I click on this, so I can see the name of the field is title. Display name of the field is title. So there is a checkbox which says display in the edit view. Then the group it to which it belongs. Then there is a sort order. So for example, we have couple of fields here. So you can add the sort order in which the fields may appear. So you can add a default value here. So for now we have checked the radio, so which says no default value. But you can add your custom value by clicking on this and adding the value. Okay. So property indexing type is default. You can add others if you want or disable it. So if I go on the top, so I can see the name of the field, then the type of the field to which it belongs. So the type of field can be text, block, content, date, time, link, number, choice, or the ID. Okay. Then if I have selected text title for the text type, so in the text type too, I have multiple options. So it's a long string text, string which has less than equal to 255 characters, or it is a XHTML string. So I can choose based on the requirement. Okay. So other information that you can see on the left side are the details of this block. We are having a ID. We are having what's the type of this, created date, modified date. We can see the child content types to it. For example, we have added this, what all you can add under this. Then we have permissions. For now, it's like everyone. You can create your own user groups and add the permissions accordingly if you don't want it to be visible to everybody. Then the third one, we have the settings. In the settings, you can see the basic um, settings like the name, display name, description, sort order, available in edit view, available for composition in the visual editor, and much more. You can delete the content type by clicking on the delete button in the bottom. Okay. So I am on the home page. If you can see, I clicked on the home item and I can see the preview of the home. I can see the content components added to the home. And in the between, we can see the components like the content types that we have added. So for the hero, which is this one, the title, subtitle, and the button, we have this homepage hero added, which is nothing but a block type. So we can add more blocks by clicking on it. So you can create your new block or select the content like which is already created under the media or the blocks. So we haven't have any blocks here, but you can add it like going here, add gadgets, and then add the blocks from here. Shared blocks, say. See. You will be able to see the shared blocks from here and select the content from the shared blocks, or you can just create your own block. Then anything added here is the block, which is content types. They can be of different type or the same type. For the navigation, so navigation is the component name, and anything added here is a blocks that we have added. Okay. Same goes for the other items. So if we talk about the homepage hero, that is this component, if I double click on this, I'm able to see the fields. So if I make a change here, for example, all your money in one place, say all your money in check meets account. True. So if I make a change here and then I haven't published it yet. So in order to view the change, I need a publish. Okay. The moment I clicked on publish, it reloaded. So I can see the changes here. Okay. So if I go to the same content type that they have added, like home hero, by going to the settings, then content types, then the home hero, let's say home hero. So I can see the fields that I was able to see on the home page by double clicking on the block. I can see those fields here. Okay. So it has heading, subheading, left image, right image, button. So it has all the fields that we can see there. You can add more fields or delete the field based on the requirement. That's it for the content types. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching.